Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply upper eye kajal. First, ensure your eyelids are perfectly clean and dry. This creates a smooth canvas for application. Next, select a soft, well-sharpened kajal pencil for effortless gliding. For enhanced longevity and to prevent smudging throughout the day, consider applying a thin layer of eye primer beforehand. This crucial preparation step ensures your kajal looks flawless and lasts for many hours. To apply kajal to your upper lash line, gently pull your upper eyelid taut with one finger. This provides a smooth, stable surface. Begin drawing a thin line from the outer corner, moving inwards along your lash line. Keep the line as close to the roots of your lashes as possible to avoid any gaps. You can gradually thicken the line towards the outer corner for a subtle, defined look. Aim for a consistent, even application. For added definition and the illusion of fuller lashes, try tight-lining your upper waterline. Look downwards into a mirror to expose the inner rim of your upper eyelid. Carefully apply the kajal directly to this upper waterline, filling in the tiny spaces between your lashes. This technique adds intensity without a visible line on your lid. For best results and to prevent smudging, always use a waterproof kajal when tight-lining, ensuring it stays put for up to 12 hours. To complete your look, you can gently smudge the kajal with a small, angled brush for a softer, smoky effect. For maximum staying power, lightly set your kajal with a matching eyeshadow. Remember to always remove your kajal thoroughly at the end of the day using an oil-based makeup remover to maintain eye health. With a little practice, you will master this technique and achieve beautifully defined upper eyes every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.